Well, it's hard to believe that all of this started 30 years ago, and I became the first employee of this organization. And I never would have guessed what would follow in terms of the relationship with the rest of the university and the importance of making our inventors successful and willing to give us the opportunity to commercialize them when that's a possibility. And I'm certainly glad that we've gotten to where we are today. It's so important, and we know it's going to be even more important in the future.
My name is Dr. Robert Fisher. I have been a board member from the early times of STC and Chuck Wellborn's chairmanship, through that of Peter Perner, and from the beginning of Lisa Kutula's role as CEO and Chief Economic Development Officer, through her leadership to the highly successful present. I have had the pleasure of introducing future scenario planning to the board's methodology and strategy development. During my time on the board, I've had the privilege of seeing the evolution of the board from its early startup phase through its current dynamic presence in New Mexico, the United States, and across the world. I have had the honor of working with and knowing wonderful and talented colleagues such as yourselves on the UNMRI Board of Directors, and talented chairpersons such as our current chair, Sandra Begay. I foresee UNM Rainforest Innovations as a success of significant proportions and a glowing future. I thank you.
I'm one of the newest board members. I've been here a little less than 2 years, and I just think the world of Lisa and the world and what she's been able to do here with Rainforest. Rainforest Innovations is exactly what New Mexico needs.
Congratulations to UNM Rainforest Innovations on 30 years of success in advancing technology transfer and economic development at the University of New Mexico. For 3 decades, UNM Rainforest Innovations has been at the forefront of both technological progress and economic growth in New Mexico. Its mission is simple: take cutting-edge research and turn it into real-world solutions, whether through patents, startups, or licensed technologies that fuel economic growth. Behind the scenes, UNMRI has been supporting UNM's faculty, staff, and students, helping them protect their ideas, secure patents, and connect with investors and partners who can bring these innovations to life. The results speak for themselves. As of 2025, UNM consistently ranks among the top 100 universities worldwide for U.S. patents issued. For fiscal year 2024, Rainforest Innovations received 92 new technology disclosures, filed 70 patents, and issued 33, with 44 licensing agreements signed to bring these innovations to market. But UNMRI's impact goes far beyond patents. Since 2012, it has been a critical player in growing New Mexico's economy, particularly when it comes to tech transfer and startups. With 952 U.S. patents and 175 startups launched by UNM, our success is undeniable. Today, UNMRI is actively supporting 103 startup companies, 51 of which are based right here in New Mexico. Simply put, UNMRI has become a vital component of New Mexico's innovation ecosystem. As we look to the next 30 years, it'll be exciting to see how Rainforest Innovations will continue to support UNM's inventions, fuel economic development, and create opportunities for a whole new generation of New Mexicans. So, congratulations to UNM Rainforest Innovations for all that has been accomplished. And here's to even more remarkable achievements in the future.